Your belt sander has a gearbox that creates additional torque and sets the belt speed to the optimal RPM for sanding. The gearbox is driven by a belt between the motor and the gearbox. There are 2 gears in the gearbox. In this video, we will replace the spur gear. The gears will wear after years of use. Heavy use will wear the gears faster. Symptoms of worn gears are increased gear noise or a ticking sound from the gearbox. When a gear fails, the motor will run, but the sanding belt won't move, or it will stop moving as soon as the sander is placed on a workpiece. Replacing the gear is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt cover from the side of the sander. Now remove the lower belt pulley. It's threaded onto the shaft and it is a reverse thread. I'll grab the pulley using the points of a pair of needle nose pliers. And then an Allen wrench goes into the center shaft. And again, this is a reverse thread. Now remove the gearbox cover. Now remove the spur gear from the gearbox. It's held in place with a nut. Now I can install the new spur gear. I line it up with the key on the shaft and insert it down into the gearbox. And I'll secure it with the nut. Now reinstall the gearbox cover. Now we'll reinstall the belt. Line up the belt around the cogs on the upper pulley. Then line up the lower pulley and screw it back onto the shaft. And again, this is a reverse thread. And now reinstall the belt cover. And that's how you can replace the spur gear in your Porter Cable belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.